What's up YouTube? This is B-Side Investing. Sorry I didn't get to upload yesterday this video. I was kind of sick. I was not feeling well, so I just decided to take a break and continue today. So thank you for waiting, and let's get into this. So what I'll do now is I'll just give you like an not in-depth, but like a summary of this week's performance and stuff like that in our challenge video. And then I will tell you guys the stocks that you guys need to keep in your watch list for next week, and check them out, do some more research. So I'll tell you about them, and then you just do your research and decide if you want to get in or not. So, okay. First, on this week, we are up 5%. So that's $272, and we're up to $5,500. And yeah, so let's see, past month 7, in past 3 months 68%, and overall we're sitting at 169% at $3,400 plus. Okay. Since this, like I said, on Thursday, I haven't sold anything and I haven't gotten the chance to buy anything. So in this challenge video, so in this Wealthsimple account, but I have picked up some shares, and I'll tell you about this just after this. So since this, I have no action, no selling or anything. We did end up on a good note on Friday. We were up 7.69%. So yeah, so average price is still at 407. It's a bit high than I would like it to be. I could have bought more and averaged down. Yeah, well, I did buy some at around 360s. So it's not in here, so that's why you can't see it here. But yeah, so Bitfarms, we were down 2% past day. Let's see, average price is 504. Overall, we're up 24%, and we have 90 shares. Haven't sold any. So Bingo, still at average price of 293. Haven't bought or sold in like 3 months now. So still going strong with the stock. Still a really good winner for me. 167% up on the investment. I had about 200 shares. I sold 101 shares and decided to buy Bitfarm, Hut, Hive. Actually, more of Hive, and yeah. So let's see. Yeah. DGHI. I think this one is going to be more of a patience game for me here, because the performance was really good. It's just it's just the sentiment of the market with this stock. It's kind of like an underdog. But it had some good news. It didn't run up much, so I'm expecting more run up this next week. Let's see. So Bitcoin is down a bit from its highs of $60,100, and Ethereum is up this weekend actually at a high of $2,100, and I switched to a resistance and support chart. Yeah, so I could just change view, pretty much nothing to it. Just keep it simple, with these charts. You don't want to overcomplicate anything. Make it simple, just 30 to 1 hour here. That's what I have here, so I just leave it here. So let's see. So Ethereum, Hive, I think it's going to be a good opportunity to pick up Hive, because Hive is going to run up a lot, because we were sitting at $1,900, and Hive was this run up right here from like $1,700 to $1,900. So we will see again maybe 5 to 10% if this continues. If this keeps steady at around 20 to 2,100, and we should see 5 to 10% gain again. So yeah, I did see a higher 21. So we'll see what the market sentiment is on Monday morning, and who knows, it might jump up 10%. plus. So yeah. Right, I haven't sold any of Hive as well. 355 shares is it's been a long time. I haven't sold anything. I haven't purchased anything here as well. So Hut picked up some shares and got it up, average cost all the way up to 483. I picked up initially at around 340, 350. So yeah, so we're up 100 plus now. Actually, let's see Hive. I think we're up 100% on Hive. Okay, just under 100%. Still have 5% to go, but Hut is moving up nicely now. So we're up 105% here, and sitting really pretty here, actually. And Immersion, once again, long-term play. So any short-term movements not going to affect me at all. I'm just going to hold Sagata, although I only have 10 shares of it. So like I said, long-term hold. The amount of stock that I own doesn't reflect any less of my bullish statement. Yeah, so hope you understand that part. And yeah, so we're doing really good at 170% in I want to say 4 months. I think it's been 4 months. No, I think it's 3 months and 3 weeks. So it's week 12. So we're going into week 13 now. So yeah. So let's see. Okay. So let's check out the watch list. Oh right. First, the shares that I bought. I bought Mara, and that's the first stock that I will recommend. Once again, before I tell you any of these stocks, please do your research. Don't take my recommendation and just buy right away. Like, what I recommend is my point of view, is just my perspective of shining the light on these stocks. Of course, you may know these stocks or you may not. Please just do your research before investing. I don't want you guys to lose money on these stocks when there isn't red days and just sell them at a loss. So I'll just give you an example, like CRNT, Ceragon Network. It's a 5G play for me. Down like 24%. I'm down like $500 maybe. Right. So if I didn't do my research, I probably have sold it like an amateur. So yeah, like it doesn't matter to me if it goes down 30%. I might buy in more, but regardless, I'm not selling it. So if you don't sell it, you're not really down that much actually, because that thing's going to recover nicely. Because yeah, so, and you got to know that too, because 5G, the infrastructure is not laid out fully. It's going to take a few years, and there's a lot of countries that are going to apply this infrastructure. And yeah, you have to realize that part. It's not there. We're just getting started. So let's see. So that was one. I picked up Roblox. I was thinking of picking up when it was down after like under $65, and I think I picked up some at under 65. And Mara I picked up at around $32. So you can see that I'm up, and I think it's been about not six, but yeah. So at around the lowest point because the lowest point was around 31.65. So I picked up some at 32. And I think it was a really good opportunity at the time. I couldn't pass up on it because if you look at the chart here, so not this one, but here. Right now, Mara currently is the highest hash rate among the like North American publicly traded companies. I have to say publicly traded because privately there's so many companies in China and stuff like that have way higher hash rate. So globally, I think they own like maybe about 60% plus. Don't quote me on this because I may be wrong, but I think it's way higher than 50%. So Yeah, so Mara, they are at 1.4, and they have, by now, they should be above 5,000 BTC, 5,000 BTC HODL, and for Q2, which is April, May, June, they will be actually at 1.9019 exahash if their delivery is on time. Actually, this is just for end of April, actually, so that's 500 petahash boost by end of April. So there is a little dark space here, blank space, because I don't know the figures of what is coming after April until August. So yeah. Right, so Mara is looking really good to me. Hive, because of their Ethereum play, and maybe Hut now because of the Ethereum play, they're gonna get a boost because of Ethereum improvements that are coming in June or July. So Ethereum price is gonna shoot up really high. It's inevitable. It's coming. It's if you want to get in or not. It's like that's gonna happen no matter what. So Riot, I would rather pick Mara than Riot. So yeah, if among the two American companies, I would pick Mara now. Mara is sitting at not here. What am I doing? Right here. So market cap wise, Mara is now above Riot at 4.8 billion US dollars, and Riot is at 4.3 billion US dollars. And you can see the hash rate just at 81 petahash increase, but above Riot. But by next month, they should be way higher. So still, you can see how Bitfarm is highly underrated, and Hut as well. So I know the sentiments are not that great right now because these stocks are not moving as fast as or high as just you guys would like it to move, but you have to be patient. I mean, the more sideways they move, just one news could just pop them off like 20-30%. So you have to be patient with these ones. So yeah. Okay, so next, from Mara. Oh no, not from Mara. So the one stock that I wanted to really recommend was X1. So X1 is a 3D printing company. I have the... Okay, I guess I don't have the website app. Let's see here. So X1. So you can take their systems like metal 3D printers, and they have sand 3D printers. And you can check out the industry that they're serving. Pretty much a huge, wide variety of industry. Aerospace, automotive, decorative arts. Well, that's... not really. I don't know if that's going to make much money, but defense. Look at foundries, heavy equipment, medical and dental, metal injection molding, oil and gas, pumps and hydraulics, and R&D. So you can imagine, I mean, these companies would want to be efficient with their production in the factories. So 3D printing is going to be way better in terms of long-term and cost-effective wise. So now with X1, it is in the ARK Invest. It is in their ETF and in their index. So first, with their 3D printing index, if you look here, it is the first one right here, X1. Ticker symbol X1, and XONE at just under $50 million invested at a weighted average of 8.54. And I think they also own Print. If I have seen Print, okay, not in here, but in ARKX in the space ETF, Print is right here. Print, PRNT. and Print is a ETF for 3D companies. So if you look, Print, ARK Invest owns them at a $21 million. And let's see. They also own Workhorse. Now, Workhorse, since that USPS contract, they kind of fell off from there. I also bought them because of that. I got wind of it because the news was supposed to come at the end of the year, but then they postponed it. They kept postponing, so I was like, oh, hell with it. I'm just gonna get out of the company, and I just took a little profit from there, maybe 5 or 10%, and I just got out of that. So, right. So Print. If you look here, if you look at the holdings, they own X1. X1 is their highest at asset percentage of 9.4%. So I think X1 is going to be huge, and definitely want to check out and put 3D or Print here in your watch list, and X1 as well. So next is Mogo.to. Now, I think I already talked about Mogo a while back, many times. So definitely check it out. They acquired Mocha. Now, Mocha was an investment type financial app. So pretty much with each transaction that you spend money on, like the change remaining out of that, you put that into investing, and then that builds up over time. That's the idea. So you don't think much of it, and then you just build up that investment, and then so kind of like a way of sneakily investing in the market, kind of. So yeah. Okay, so in the watch list, I've added, let's see, Go EV. I've added, I think that was it. Well, I was going to add X1, just didn't do it. Right, so X1. So I'm going to add X1 and Print. PRNT. Yeah, so Print. Right, so that's the ARK Invest. Yeah, Print. Okay, let's see. I think that was it for today. Yeah, so check out CCIV. Huge potential. There might be a drop in share price if the product is not up to standard or up to par, what they promised. And slowly they will start delivering the cars by Q3. There are some delays. They were supposed to do it, I think, by this time. So there were some delays. So of course, I expect it next quarter. And let's see. So Bingo BTCC. That's just the Bitcoin ETF. If you want to buy Bitcoin ETF, if you don't want to buy Bitcoin, you can just buy that, and then they'll just mimic the price action of Bitcoin. And let's see, CPS Materials. Once again, I think I've gone over this company, so I'm not gonna talk much. And Fuel Cell, I've already talked about it. And Galaxy, covered it. GoEV, I've covered it in the past video. So yeah, MP Materials, Rare Earth Materials, Elements Company. I've shown you what material they produce that could be used in the market. So check that out. You guys already know about Palantir. There's so many videos about Palantir and Chatter Chef. Healthy alternative, vegan, plant-based, frozen food company. Sales have gone up this past year because of the pandemic and the closure of restaurants and being on lockdown. So frozen foods and a healthy alternative to frozen foods. So yeah. So next companies I'm going to buy shares are with X1. I'm going to pick up some X1. I'm going to buy some Mogo. So I'll pick up some Mogo. I'll pick up X1, and I'll pick up. I already bought Palantir. I bought Palantir at 22. Yeah, at 22.23. So up a little bit, but in long term, like I said, I'm looking at long term, not short term. So definitely see if these companies are within your risk tolerance, and do your research. Know what you guys are getting into, right? I mean, that you don't want to lose your money. If you have money to lose, then I guess you could risk it, but it's not really smart to do it. Just be smart with your money. I know some people, like, they watch Wall Street Bets and all that. They think they can mimic those ridiculous gains. I mean, those are just like gambling, kind of. So just be careful. So yeah, I'm gonna pick up some X1, Mogo, and I think it's time to pick up some Tattooed Chef. This is kind of ridiculous. Tattooed Chef has been down from like 18 to 25 for like a long time now. So definitely gonna pick up some those, and yeah. So we got a really big week coming up. Ethereum is high. BTC is also holding steady sideways, like I was hoping. So really good signs. Yeah, so I think that's it for this video. Thanks for being patient with me. I was supposed to post this video yesterday, but I got sick, and yeah, you know how it is now. So right, so please feel free to like and subscribe. Please feel free to share some comment, and kind of helps boost this video and helps share it to other new viewers, and hopefully we can help them make money, and preach the message of long-term investing and investing wise, and doing research. The utmost key, not just following people on YouTube, just doing your research, checking out the companies, and also minding that to invest within your own risk tolerance, right? So not everyone has what I'm tolerant to. Some people may be more riskier, some people way less. Some people may just want to invest in Vanguard. You never know. So right, so thank you for watching. Please feel free to like and subscribe. Please know this is not financial advice. Do your own research, like I said, and thank you for watching. See you in the next one. Peace.